Right now I will quickly show you all box accessories of the Realme C71. So let's put the phone aside and we will focus on the box itself. And let's open this one up, and here we can find the box with all of the accessories. So let's take this one out, and on the bottom of this box right here we can find the place for the phone, and there's actually no more things right here, there's nothing inside. So let me put this one back inside here and we will focus on this box with the accessories. So let's open this one up right here, and as we take out all of these accessories, as you can see, now this box is empty, there are no more things, and these are all of these things that you can find in this box. So here you can find the charging cable, which is the Type C, Type A right here. You can also find the quick guide for this phone and some other stuff, the safety guide right here. You can find the SIM tool, which comes in with this like paper right here, and the protective case, which is transparent, is very like soft and has matte texture right here. And that would be all about the all box accessories. As you can see, there is no charging adapter included, and as we take a look at the box, at the lid of the box right here, on this side you can find this information that there is no charging adapter included, and it is recommended to use from 5 to 45 watts charging adapter. So yeah, that would be all about these all box accessories of the Realme C71.